It's a cold day in Sheffield. I just thought I'd come to my little studio and tell you why I think making stock might be a bad idea. When I first started in my craft business, I thought I had to make stock of every of my items in every single colour, otherwise people won't buy things. After a little while I started making some personalised stuff, and people seem to be prepared to wait for like 4, 6, 8 weeks for their stuff to come. And then a little while later I thought, surely no one's going to want to wait like weeks and weeks for a plain white mug to arrive. But actually when I put the made to order stuff on my sites, people were prepared to wait. It was amazing. It was like a revelation. I didn't have to make stock anymore. I didn't need to fill my shelves with one of every colour of every item that I've ever made, just for them to sit around collecting dust, because maybe somebody buys a white one and then all the other colours are sat there, and then someone else wants a white one and I don't have a white one, and then they message me and I'm like, oh, I don't have a white one, I could make you one but it'll be a while, and either they wait a while or they just go and buy something else. So that's the way I've been working for nearly 3 years now, just making things to order, and it's been working out really well. I'm earning a full-time income and I don't have any stock, so it couldn't be better really. The other problem with having loads of stock is that sometimes, you know, you might change the design of your items and then you've got stock which is, you know, old. You either have to sell it off cheap or just get rid of it, give it your family for Christmas or something. Some of the great benefits of making to order, you can have listings of like a million different things, and you don't have to, obviously, you know, you've got no stock, so you can make up however many items you can think of, put them on, you know, for a 25p listing fee, and if they don't sell, you know, take them off again. And the things that do sell, obviously build on that. Maybe you make variations of the ones that sell, or just promote them more. Also at Christmas, so most people will make a load of stock way before Christmas and they'll sell out at some point, and then they'll just, you know, put their feet up. And January is really slow, February is really slow. Whereas I make things to order, so get loads of orders in like October, November, and then this year in mid-November I started telling everyone, you know, you're not going to get your things by Christmas. Do you want me to cancel your order? Have you seen the dispatch time? Have you read, you know, the listing that clearly states, you know, you're not going to get it by Christmas now? And they'll go, oh no, maybe some of them will say, oh no, sorry, I didn't see that. Yeah, can you cancel my order? Sorry, maybe I'll get one next year. And a lot of people will say, oh, I didn't see that, no, but I'll keep my order and I'll just tell like Dave that his mug's gonna be late this year. Sorry Dave. Or they'll say, oh yeah, I did see the delivery times, but we liked it so much we're just gonna have it after Christmas. So I've got, you know, still orders on. I'm in like mid-December now and I've sent everything that I've said will be there by Christmas, and I've still got like 100 or more orders to do, you know, going into January, February. So it really extends your Christmas period if you're making to order, which is great, you know, because we need to make as much money as we can to be a successful small business. So if you think I'm crazy, why don't you just give it a go and see how it turns out? You can always keep stock, but also you could do this on the side, and I bet that if you tried it out, you might be really surprised at how well it works. The only thing is you need a good system, because you don't want to be just making one thing at a time, you know, as the orders come in, just making one. I've got a great system to batch out a lot of similar items together. So I'm going to be making lots more videos about online selling, and I'm going to cover that and lots of other stuff in those. So, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.